trophy plus rice certificate of 30 kilos of butter rice. Kat Himay Kawa.
Wow.
Okay, may we call on
Miss Kikuya Sakurada and Omino-san of 7 Bank. Representative from the 7 Bank.
Anak ko nang.
To please award our winner for today, the first place winner.
the envelope, please. Bago yan, ina-announce namin sa inyo yung raffle tickets. Nandiyan pa. Nandiyan pa yung staff namin. For 500, marami tayong matutulungan. Ito po yung walang biro. Ito po ay may kapalit naman. Sa 500, tagtagan nyo. Gawin nyo na isang lapad. No? Gawin nyo na isang lapad. Natatawa si ate. Oh, tama. Gawin talaga yan.
The more tickets you buy, the more chances of winning. And the more you're helping the project of Utawid na yung Gawad Kalinga.
Yes, Gawad Kalinga, si Wol sa mga bata.
Oh, sarap tumulong, di ba?
Yes. And also, si Miss Sakurada, sinasabi ko sa inyo yung charity for December, supportan natin, no? Para sa Pilipinas na dyan. To announce the first
place winner, kanya the envelope. Okay, first place winner.
Sino kaya ito?
To announce the first place winner, may we call on 7 Bank. Please. First place winner goes to inulit ko po, may ticket na pinaikan. So ngayon, pwede po kayong bumili. At saka maraming salamat talaga sa puso namin. Tapos puso kami nagpapasalamat. Thank you very much for coming. You know, this is a wonderful day. And the winner is, okay, Ron. Goes to pinapaalala namin sa inyo si Mr. ay meron concert sa December 17. Don't forget that, okay? And also, don't forget to support also the Utawid. And don't forget the Filipino music artists in Japan, the FMAJ, and also